Alright, we're beginning our climb up Hurricane Ridge, which is the furthest northwest top 100 climb in the country. We'll ride 18.6 miles at 4.9% average grade, gain about 5,315 feet during this climb.
Here we go, John. See you up there.
Alright, at 1.2 miles, we veer right onto Hurricane Ridge Road. We're at the 5-mile mark, having climbed about 1,800 feet. We're at elevation 1,700. We enter Olympic National Park at mile 6.6, and we've climbed about 1,700 feet to this point. We're at 17.5 miles, and we've climbed 4,800 feet. We are just about to the top of Hurricane Ridge climb, 18.8 miles, and we've climbed 5,200 feet so far. We are at the top of the Hurricane Ridge climb. We've climbed about 19 miles, climbed about 5,300 feet, and my gosh, this was an absolutely spectacular climb, as is no doubt obvious from the video that you've seen so far.